Hello. I need help. I'm in a forest. My cell phone is running out of battery. And my flashlight is out of battery. I need someone here now because it feels like someone is chasing me. What the hell is this? Anyone, I need help quickly. I'm running out of battery. Oh shit, this thing is getting closer. I need to run. I think he lost me. Oh wait. It looks like the flashlight is coming back. It seems like it's dawning. That's easier to find the exit. Damn, that thing is still chasing me. I need to turn from here. Oh, who are you? Don't you dare touch me.
Your hair smells nice.
This morning at 8:58, the dismembered body of a 19-year-old teenager was found. The police are still investigating. According to the authorities, a trace of the person responsible for the crime was found. It was a piece of skin from a creature called